Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, and I hope you have done all the previous exercises of the previous chapter. So now let's move into the new chapter, that is chapter 7, adjectives. We have already discussed about this adjective in the previous class. Adjectives are what? Basically, adjectives are the describing words which describe about the noun. Okay, so let's know about adjectives in detail. An adjective is a describing word. It is used with a noun or pronoun to describe it or point out the person, animal, place or thing, or tell the number of quantity of that noun. So basically adjective is what? Adjective is a describing word. It is used with a noun, it is used with a pronoun or to describe it or to point out the person, animal, place or thing, or tell the number or quantity of that noun. Okay, now here it is saying an adjective often comes before the noun or pronoun it describes. So basically an adjective, it often comes before the noun or the pronoun which it describes. Okay. For example, a smart dog. So how is the dog? The dog is smart. Okay, so the word smart is describing about the dog. Next one, an old house. So how is that house? That house is old. So old is describing about the house. Old is the adjective. Okay. Next one is an adjective can also come after the noun in the sentence. Basically, an adjective can also come after the noun of the sentence. Okay, for example, Sumit's handwriting is very neat. Okay, so here neat is describing about Sumit's handwriting. Neat is the adjective describing word. Next one, I am tall. So tall is describing about that person. Okay. Now it is saying some pronouns act as adjectives. They express the positions or ownership. These are my, are, yours, his, her, their and its. So basically some pronouns, they act as adjective. Okay, and they express about what? They express the positions or the ownership. Okay, position or the ownership, and these are what? These are like my, our, your, his, her, theirs and its. Okay, for example, her eyes are black. So here her is what? Her is the adjective. Now next one, my bag is heavy. My is talking about the possession one. Okay, so my is also the adjective. Now the next thing, the word used to describe or add different qualities to a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. The word which used to describe or add the different qualities to a noun or the pronoun, that is known as the adjective or the describing word. Okay. Now here it is saying adjectives can come before as well as after the noun. Adjectives can come before as well as after the noun. Okay. For example, these are beautiful flowers. Before the noun, here you can see that beautiful comes before the noun flowers. Okay. So beautiful here is the adjective. Next one, these flowers are beautiful after the noun. So here you can see in the sentence that after the noun flowers, the word beautiful is coming. Beautiful is what? That is the adjective describing word. Now the next thing is read the following sentences and note down the uses of adjective used in them. So basically you have to read the sentences carefully and then you have to note down the uses of adjective which are used in them. Like the sentences are given. For example, there are 8 planets in the solar system. So before planet 8 is coming, okay, so planet is what? Planet is the noun, okay, and 8 is the adjective in number form. Now next one is Karan loves to eat sweet oranges. Okay, so the word sweet is coming before the word oranges. Okay, sweet is the adjective. Next one, the young boy ran very slowly. Okay, young is the adjective. Next one, there is much water in the pond. Much is also the adjective. Next one, there are many parks in this city. Okay, next, there are 5 oceans on the earth. Next one, the children are keeping quiet. Next one, Arun's handwriting is neat. Next one, we wear colorful clothes on festivals. Next, whale is the biggest animal in the water. Okay, so you can clearly see the words like sweet, young, much, many, five, quite, neat, colorful, biggest. These all are the adjectives. Okay, now let's talk about degrees of comparison. All adjectives have the 3 degrees of comparison. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Okay. First one, the positive degree is a simple form of an adjective. Positive degree is the simple form of an adjective. Next one is the comparative degree compares the two things. The comparative degrees compare the two things. Okay. Next one, the superlative degree tells that the best among all the things. The superlative tells you about the best among all the things. Okay. For example, read and learn. Kunal is tall. So this is the positive one. Tall is the positive degree. Okay. Next one, Dev is taller than Kunal. Now here, taller than, that means it is the comparative one, comparative degree. Okay, it is comparing the two person. Now next one is Vishal is the tallest of them. Okay, the word tallest, that means it is the superlative one. Okay, so here you are comparing the single person with all the one. Okay. Now the next thing is, in the sentence given on the previous page, the adjective tall is in the positive degree. The adjective tall is in the positive degree. The adjective taller is in the comparative degree. And the adjective tallest is in the superlative degree. Okay. Look at the list of some adjectives with their comparative and superlative degree. So basically, Basically here you have given a table, and in the first one it is written positive degree, the simple form, then comparative degree in which you have to add er by changing it. Okay. Next one is superlative degree in which you have to add est. Okay. Like for example, tall, taller, tallest. Next, thick, thicker, thickest. Okay. Short, shorter, shortest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Next one, brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Next one, happy, happier, happiest. In the happy one, you have to remove y and add ier for the comparative one and iest for the superlative one. Next one, heavy, heavier, heaviest. For the heavy also, you have to remove y and add ier, and for the superlative iest. Next one, lazy, lazier, laziest. Next one, fat, fatter, fattest. In the fat, you have to add double T. Okay, why? Because it is coming after the vowel A. Okay, the T is coming after the vowel A. That's why you have to make it double T in the comparative and also in the superlative. Next one, hot, hotter, hottest. Cold, colder, coldest. Next one is high, higher, highest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Next, strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, biggest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Next one, young, younger, youngest. Okay. Now the next question is, fill in the blanks by choosing suitable adjectives from the box given below. I'm telling you the first one, the ice cream is very dash. The ice cream is very cold. Okay, so you have to write down the word cold. Like this, you have to first read the sentence carefully, then you have to choose the correct form of the adjective and write it in the blank. Now the next question is, look at these pictures and tick the correct adjective given in the brackets. You have to tick the correct adjective. First one, the pumpkin is, in the bracket is given heavier, comma, lighter than the cauliflower. The pumpkin is heavier than the cauliflower. Okay, so you have to tick heavier. Like this, you have to first read the sentence carefully, then you have to choose the correct form of the adjective. Okay, I hope student that you understood this chapter, and your homework is you have to do all the exercise part of this chapter, and I'm gonna meet you in the next class. Till then students, bye bye.